Hey guys, just wanted to show you that you can 3D print a weed trimmer line. That's what this is. This is weed trimmer line. When I was out in the garage today, I came across this roll of weed trimmer line in a box. That's why it's still got dust and shit on it. I need to get it cleaned up. See the dust and crap on the line. That is for your weed trimmer. You know, your weed whackers that you use outside to cut the weeds with? That's what this is. They say it's hard to print with 3D, or it's hard to print trimmer line through your 3D printer. Bullshit. There you go. I just 3D printed something with weed trimmer line. And here it is. Little stringy, no big deal. You take your heat gun and that shit will go away. That's the where it started on the build plate. You can see how nice and smooth that is. But yeah, this is weed trimmer line that I 3D printed with. Pretty cool. All right, you guys have a good one. Weed trimmer line, weed whacker line, whatever that you use outdoors. You can fucking 3D print it. And I just fucking proved it right here.